Hey there, today I'll show you how to buy Robux with Cash App. Uh, what is Robux? Robux is the virtual currency used in the online gaming platform Roblox. You can use Roblox to buy in-game items and services such as avatar accessories, unique abilities in games, weapons, other objects, discount on items, access to the item trading systems. You can purchase Robux on or earn them. So how you can purchase it with Cash App? So first go to roblox.com or open the Roblox app and log into your account. Then you will see options Robux here. Just select it, and then you will see a bunch of Robux plan their prices here. So select your preferable one. For example, I'm selecting this one. Then you will see their payment type. From here, what you have to do is select debit card, because you need to cash up debit card. So how you can get it? To order your cash app card, tap the open the cash app, then tap the cash card tab on your cash app home screen, then press get cash card and tap continue and follow the steps. You have to remember you can purchase it when you are 13 plus. Then select get free cash card. It will be a debit card, so select then enter your email address, then your card number, your card date, CVC, card holder name, then country, then select it and just select pay, and that's how you can buy Robux with Cash App. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.